So what is this called? The promenade?
The promenade in Santa Monica.
Santa Monica Promenade. Very nice. Dinosaurs made out of bushes. Foot Locker, the guy did this. It's nice.
No, vending.
Really a vibe.
Look at the.
We just ate at
vending,
the.
claw machine.
Huh? Oh yeah. And we just ate at a ramen spot called Silver Lake Ramen, and it was bomb.com. Oh yeah, there's clock and stuff. And a little vending machine. Oh, I like those right here. It's a vibe in here. Still Santa Monica, that's why. Player that's playing now. Only know Otani and Yamamoto. Yes, you can wash your jacket. I mean, people don't wash their jacket. Ew. Like people don't wash their jacket. Ew.
Steven. Miniso is really everywhere. Like they sell the same thing but different pricing. Because remember in Manila, in Hong Kong, Taiwan even. Oh wow, it smells so good. Oh, it's too strong. The logo is upside down, right?
Because back then the goalies, well even now, they don't have to have the same jerseys because the goalie. So in the 90s at one point, they went crazy with the jersey. Like they do the same design. Why do I just want to do like this? Whoop. Whoop. The old model, but they did a new color. I hated those growing up, and now they come back. I like it actually. That's proof that nostalgia is a mind trick.
claw machines. I don't know. They never really worked here in the States. I don't know how they make it work in Taiwan. Yeah.
Well, in Taiwan, there's so many and you can actually win.
Yeah.
Like growing up, those you never win. Only Taiwan you win.
Oh, the Nike's still there. La Boo Boo store. Cheesecake there. There's the beach. Yeah, that's another one. ID?
The 180. Romero's they have so many different colorways. You see, this is like, it looks like it's dirty. Mine too, but mine was 70.
You got yours where?
I got mine in Seattle, the Nike headquarters.
No. Headquarter? No, Nike out Nike
Not even
Nike clearance.
Nike clearance.
Yeah. If you wanna shop, go to Seattle or Oregon.
Sure.
No tax. Cheaper pricing, more options. This Nike's huge. That's very Cedric.
Just all for real. Or Vinny.
No, more like Cedric.
This
Vinny, yeah.
2000 driveway pattern, you know?
Yeah, we have to go see that. Didn't you have something like this before? Look at that.
Wow. Let's go then. Let's make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it to the parking. Yeah. It is waiting for us. The ramen shop. See you in a sec. Urban Outfitters. Banging store, but a bit expensive. JD, a bit cheaper, but not as good. But they got a bit everything. Yeah, who's this girl running right now? Let's catch her.